guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Good For You by Olivia Rodrigo. So we're going to play this song with basic chords. We're just going to have our capo on fret number 2, and we're playing the following chords. So I'm going to show you how to play this for the beginner player, the intermediate, and the advanced player. Alright, so for beginner players, we're just going to do the chords and we're going to strum them. Alright, so the first chord is an E minor, right, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Right, so the E minor is right at the end of the chorus. That's where we have the all right, so we have right before we get into the verse. So we have E minor. This is a D, which can be played like this: open, 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 2, 3, 2. Or you can play it open, 5, 4, open, 3, open, right? And then we go to A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. So E minor, D, A minor, E minor, right? And my strumming pattern there is down, 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 up, down. Sorry, down, 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 up, down. Hold on. So down, 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 up, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, right? And then we get into the right. So this is basically you slide, from second fret to this fret. What fret is this? Let's see, 1, 3, 5, 7, right? So 2 to 7 relative to the capo, and then you come back to 5, 7 to 5. So 2 to 5, and then you come to 5. So 2, 7, 5, 2, 5, 2, 7, 5. All right. So this is a derivative of the chord E minor. So you can also play which is just E minor to D. This is for your verse, okay? So E minor to D, or you can do this cycling, which sounds more accurate, and you can really just use one finger and it will sound okay. All right, and then we get into the chorus. Which is C, right? Open, 3, 2, open, 1, open, to G, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. And then we go to D, open, 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 2, 3, 2. And then E minor, open, 2, 2, open, 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 right? So, good for you, na 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 na. Now, if you're a beginner, you want to strum that, which is down. That's your strumming pattern. And then the intermediate player would want to plug and tap. Okay, so we have C, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Those are the strings you plug. G, it's 6, 4, 3, 2. And then for D, it's 4, 3, 2, 1. E minor, it's 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, and then what else? Right, if you're an advanced player, you want to, you can mix the plucking and the strumming to make it sound like this. Good for you, na 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 na. And that's basically it for this song. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video.